Welcome back, everyone. Today we're in the award-winning master plan community of Sunterra. It's a place where the amenities feel like a vacation, the lifestyle is relaxed and active, and the homes, well, you're about to see why people fall in love with this neighborhood. So if you're thinking about new construction in the Katy area, this is one of the top spots. I'm Maria Galiotos with eXp Realty, your Houston new construction specialist, and today I'm taking you through one of Westin Homes' most impressive floor plans. It's called the Ellicott. Now, as soon as you step inside the home, it makes a statement. Westin is known for their signature architectural details, and the Grand Rotunda is the star of the show. Soaring ceilings, elegant lines, and this gorgeous curved staircase that feels like it belongs in a luxury magazine. It's dramatic without being overwhelming, and it gives the entire entryway that wow factor that guests always remember. Now, just off to the right of the foyer, you'll find the secondary bedroom and laundry area. It's perfect for guests, in-laws, teens, or even a private home office. With its own access to a full bath, and you get flexibility without sacrificing privacy, something buyers absolutely love in this plan. Coming back out from that bedroom, you walk right into the heart of the home, the kitchen and family room. You have that open concept design that so many buyers are looking for. The kitchen, breakfast area, and living room all flowing together. Now let's head into the primary suite, which is located on the main floor. This bedroom is tucked away towards the back of the home for extra privacy. There's plenty of room here for a king-size bed, nightstands, and even a sitting chair or small reading nook. The ensuite bathroom features dual vanities, a separate tub and shower, and a walk-in closet. Coming back out into the kitchen and living area, I want you to notice some of the details. Look at the finishes, the countertops, the backsplash, the cabinetry, and how everything ties together with the flooring. Westin does a good job of making a space feel upscale without being overdone. Also pay attention to the sight lines. From the sink, you can see into the family room and towards the backyard. If you like to cook while keeping an eye on kids, guests, or even just the TV, this layout makes that really easy. Now let's head upstairs. At the top, you're greeted by a spacious game room, a great open area for movie nights, toys, or even a teen hangout space. The curved staircase and open to below views make the second floor feel connected to the main living area, which is something unique to this plan. Right next to the game room is a media room. Whether you want a true theater setup, a gaming retreat, or just a cozy second living space, this room gives you options. Westin includes the ability to add optional doors for privacy if you'd like that enclosed feel. Now down the hall, you'll find two more secondary bedrooms, each with their own closet space, and a full bathroom conveniently located for easy access. The space up here is really well laid out. Nothing feels cramped or tight, and the rooms get great natural light. And finally, let's step outside. Backyards in Sunterra vary depending on the lot, but the Ellicott gives you a covered patio and plenty of usable outdoor space for dining, grilling, or just relaxing at the end of the day. If you'd like to tour this home in person, explore build options, or learn about current incentives, just reach out. I help buyers every day with new construction all across Houston, and I'd love to guide you to the right builder and the right floor plan. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more new construction floor plan tours.